assessment asks us why the aldol addition reaction to a ketone as an electrophile doesn't work, where the analogous aldol reaction with an aldehyde does work. There's two ways we can think about this. One, ketones are less reactive, less electrophilic than aldehydes are. So they react a little bit slower, and it's not quite as fast a process as it is with an aldehyde. Another reason is if we look at the product of the aldol reaction, the immediate product when the enolate adds to a ketone to form the O- alkoxide intermediate, that is an uphill disfavored process. That equilibrium reaction favors the reactants. So because that step of that mechanism favors the reactants and because ketones are less reactive overall, for this reason, the reaction with a ketone as an electrophile does not work for a typical aldol addition reaction. We can get it to work if instead we add heat and we allow the process to continue to the elimination reaction to form the conjugated enone as the product. But for a typical aldol addition reaction, the reaction with ketones as electrophiles does not work.